Bingo. And we should be live. Whew. All right. How's everybody doing? Top of the morning. Yeah. Rise and shine, everybody. Today is Thursday. Thursday, we have unemployment claims, but I'm not really too worried about that. Let's see if we can finish the week off in a dub and be undefeated this week. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that on gold. Look at that manipulation. And then instant dump. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, back down to the downside. It's so predictable. FOMC was crazy. Let me even check. Which candle was FOMC? These ones? Holy moly. This was the trade we took. This little scalp. This was FOMC. Wow. Good morning. Good morning, Khalil. Is that how you say it? Khalil. Something like that. Okay. Let me do my analysis for the morning. Yo, what's going on? Let me tell these boys I'm on stream. Oh, we have 12 viewers. Oh, now y'all boys want to start joining. Now you see I be taking them W's, huh? Oh, man. Can't make this shit up, man. I am live. Join up. Oh, don't I need to, like, grab a link or something? I do. Guys, I'm about to do technical analysis soon and figure out what we're looking at on the market, but just give me a second. Bro, there should be an evergreen link that I have, so I don't have to keep doing this each time I'm live. It gets annoying. You're in Nas buys? Bro, there's still boogers and crusts in my eyes. How are you trading? Like what? Okay, we filled the new week opening gap. That's really, really good. Oh yeah, buys are valid, but like, damn. I haven't even seen your entry, but buys are valid because we filled the new week opening gap. We're in this daily IFEG that got inverse. We have liquidity back to the upside after a sweep of liquidity down here. Yeah, buys are valid. This is a V-shaped recovery. Buys are very, very valid, but let me see your entry. Because price can easily come down to sweep out these lows. Can't lie. Hey, you might have taken a valid trade this early. Sweep. This is sweep. This is that Asia session high. Yeah, your trade's valid. It's on deal, yeah, targeting these London highs above. That trade is very valid. My goodness, look at ES. Let's take a look at gold. Let's see what gold wants to do for us. Gold's playing around on the daily time frame. Gold has done the same thing of filling the new week opening gap, but we're rejecting this support area. Inverse FEG back to the downside. Yeah, gold is climbing back up. But we have to see how it reacts at this high and at this level. Guys, my Discord caught this short during Asia session. You see Asia session right here? Sweep of liquidity, inverse for value gap. They caught this short all the way down through London session. They caught it. I woke up and saw it in the chat. I will not trade New York today. I will not trade New York today. Yeah, that's what I can expect from gold today, actually. Boys, ladies and gentlemen, what are y'all looking for? It's the last day of the trading day. It's the last day of the trading week. What are y'all boys looking at? I think Nas is bullish. I think Nas is extremely bullish. The entry was just way too early for me. God damn, 4 concurrent viewers? Hey, where's everybody going? It's until I start winning, huh? When I start catching W's, that's when you're gonna stay. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all actually hear me though? Oh, perfect. All right. I'm just making sure. Do y'all see this Nasdaq trade? Fuck. Whatever. Well, guys, today it's like I've already done the analysis that I needed to do. It's like, yeah, gold is pumping back up, but gold can easily come to sweep out these highs and then continue going lower. And currently, right now, we are literally at one viewer. I don't know how that's even possible, but if we can get to 75, I'll be giving away a free funded account. I'll be giving away a free funded account. Like the stream, share it to your friends, tell them to join. Once we get to 75 viewers, free funded account. Whoever's in this NASDAQ trade, your trade is going to win. Yeah. DXY is on a massive drop. I want to see gold sweep out these highs and then continue lower. Hey, bro, I'm just learning how to trade myself. What do you look at the most before taking a trade? So what I look at is I make sure number one, am I trading with the higher time frame narrative? So what are we currently doing? Gold is going downwards. So if I wanted to take a short position for if I wanted to take a trade, I would be looking to take a short position. Number two is there a liquidity sweep? So I need some type of liquidity to be swept in order for me to take a position because that's just a criteria that I have that keeps me profitable. And number three is there some type of entry trigger? So for example, on this trade here on NASDAQ, we had a liquidity sweep here, we had an inverse fair value gap here, and then TP will be London session highs, and this trade probably will hit. Boom. That's how I determine whether I should get into a trade or get out of a trade. It's like, because if you do all of those things, all you're doing is building a system. So all you've done is just build a system around your trading. Once you build a system around your trading, then it's easier for you to understand what you're looking for. Every single morning when you wake up, you determine your bias. How do you determine your bias? We build a system around that as well. Where are we? Where are we going? Where did we come from? You answer those three questions, you have your bias. Number four is you build some type of entry trigger. Liquidity sweep, inverse fair value gap, liquidity sweep, breakup structure, whatever, whatever, whatever. Build a narrative around your trading. There should always be a story. Why do we need to come take out these London session highs right now? There should be a story involved. So when you're wrong about the direction of a trade, your story was wrong. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you're able to do that, then you'll be successful. Hey, Claude 12. Congrats. I think your shit's gonna hit TP. What are you trading it on? Are you trading on a funded account or are you trading on a live account? I don't even know if he's still in the stream. Do I have a Discord? Yes. I have a Discord. Y'all be on the lookout. I'm about to make it open to the public very, very soon. So please, y'all be on the lookout for that. But till then, join these live streams. You'll learn a lot from them, like a lot. Join these live streams. Hey, TP's about to hit on nasdaq. But yeah, I do have a Discord. I'll be opening it up to the public very, 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 very soon. Yo, AG Trades NQ. Seems like somebody slept in a bit. I'm tired too, man. If I don't find a clean setup, I'm not even worried about taking it. Take my profitable week and run. Good day, y'all. We're at 23 viewers. Guys, if we can get to 75 viewers, one of y'all will be winning a funded account for free by Apex. I will give it to y'all. I'm trying to give those away, man. So, hey, I can't just give it to give it. So, come on, guys. Let's get to 75. 75 viewers. Like the stream. Heart it. Comments. Do whatever streamers do. You know I'm new to this streamer shit. Hey, how's the speed though? How's the speed how delayed I am? How delayed am I? It should be like 3 seconds max. How delayed am I? Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Damn, I have a lot of viewers from around the world. Paris. This social media stuff is insane, man. I would have never met you, AG Trades, without Instagram and YouTube. I'm glad I did. Okay, it's like 3 to 4 seconds. That's what's up. I'm noticing the same people each time. You're from Malawi? No, I've never heard of it. Oh, you can use your trading view chart as reference. It's 10:03 in Australia. Wow, I have a viewer from Australia. That's what's up. Nasdaq might come give a continuation model. It might come sweep out these lows to continue going higher. Pakistan. That's good. That's what's up. What's gold doing? No idea. I wanted this reversal, but I wanted it after these highs were swept. So I'm not taking this. It didn't sweep the highs I wanted it to sweep. NQ on the other hand, if NQ can come down, sweep out these lows, and then give an entry upward, that's a good trade. And then you can take it targeting these equal London highs above. If it just reacts off this fair value gap, I don't really want it. I like liquidity sweeps before I get into a position. But it could happen though. We have a no wick candle. What is gold doing? Absolutely nothing. Like right now, it's reacting from this hourly fair value gap, which is cool, but I kind of want this one. This is the one I want. This FEG. Wow. NQ used that FEG to go higher. Wow. Leonard, what's going on, man? What's up? We're back at it every single morning. Except tomorrow, because tomorrow's a bank holiday, so I'm going to sleep in tomorrow. Well deserved, because I am extremely tired right now. I need to start waking up with some morning coffee to my name. Oh. Did you trade FOMC? I did. I traded yesterday. We took a dub. I didn't trade the actual FOMC candle, but I traded FOMC and we took a dub. Look at the session liquidity model working. Sweep of liquidity, IFEG, runs higher. I love this strategy. You're feeling better today? Yes, we can hop on that call later. Today's gonna be extremely busy for me, Leonard, um, because it's a content day. So like I have a specific day where I have to like film like 30 videos. So it's a content day. So you might not be able to get a hold of me till a lot later in the evening. But I'll text you on WhatsApp. We'll figure it out. Like after I'm done streaming right now, I'm gonna go to the gym. After I'm done with the gym, I am cooked for the rest of the day. But I'll text you. Just be patient with me, man. Till then, look at all these. We're at 30 viewers, 31 viewers, guys. At 75 viewers, like I've been saying, I'll be giving y'all a free Apex account. But till then, Apex is still 90% off. Y'all are more than welcome to use code DAY for your um, prop firms at checkout before we find some type of trade to take right now. Because once we find a trade to take, today is the last day I will be trading. So if you want to place a trade with me, get you your props and let's cook and let's win. Oh, guys, today a YouTube video is also dropping as well, showing y'all. I know I just showed y'all this week already, taking one trade a day. Yeah, a YouTube video is dropping as well, showing y'all taking one trade a day really does keep the 9 to 5 away. I've shown y'all on stream. Y'all saw me come every single morning and take either a win or a loss, even though we're undefeated this week. A win or a loss. But I made a YouTube video showing y'all the power of one trade a day. That's dropping today. So y'all be on the lookout for that. But I think I'm about to put this shit on a t-shirt, man. One trade a day really does keep the 9 to 5 away. I haven't had a job in over 6 months now. Probably even longer. No, it's been 8 months. Yeah, 8 months. I haven't had a job in 8 months. One trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. As long as I keep taking one trade every single day, that job's gonna stay the fuck away. Just one. Oh, man. Bro, what is gold doing? Are we gonna sweep it or not? Oh, silver swept it. I'm sorry, I just can't long this. Like, I'm sure it probably will even work. I just can't long this on gold. Yeah, one pair, one session, one trade keeps the 9 to 5 away. Exactly. To be fair, I do trade two pairs. I trade the NASDAQ and I trade gold, but that's something new I added. When I was becoming profitable, I only traded gold, guys. Only traded gold. Oh, I wouldn't short this, by the way. Gold is gone. Yeah, like it dumped. Hey, this is not a good short to take at all. Though I'm only trading NQ because I'm using a CFD account. You don't need to trade CFD, man. You can trade futures. Where are you from? Bro, god damn, guys. This is looking like freaking 7:44. We need to wait till 8:30. Oh, okay. You're from Malawi? Malawi, bro. Yeah, I'm saving up for a futures account. Yeah. I thought futures were genuinely less expensive than CFDs though, no? An Apex account is like 20 to $50. How much are CFD accounts? The last time I was trading CFDs, they were like $200, $300. I'm guessing Malawi is some type of like country or something. I'm not sure. It's probably a country in, sounds like either Africa or some type of island. Malawi sounds like an island, low key. Malawi, East Africa, and it looks actually beautiful too. Is it like a tourist place? Well, if you're in this NQ trade, I know you're feeling maximum pain right now. If you're in this NQ trade, I know you're feeling maximum pain right now. It's not doing anything at all. It's just hovering. We're not in anything yet. NQ is extremely bullish. Please don't short these highs. I'm looking to see if I can get some type of continuation up to these highs. So our target is this London high. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking for. Get something like this. Sweep because of market open. Inverse. This is what I'm looking at. Am I going on any vacations this summer? I mean, I don't think it's in the summer. I'm going to Miami in October. I might go on a cruise, but I don't know if I want to do that. But I've already gone to Vegas and I went to Atlanta. Next month I'm going to Europe, so I'm spending a lot of money. So I think I should chill out a bit. So after Europe in July, then it's Miami in October. I need to like stay on the charts and grind and stream and post content and really like work instead of doing all this traveling. So I think I might take a trip. Where in Europe? London. I'm going to London. That's where my cousins are from. I'm gonna go see some of my cousins in London. London city's burning down, burning down, burning down. London city's burning down, my dear lady. I know you young cats don't know that one, huh? Yeah, yeah. This OG Day in the building. London city's falling down, falling down, falling down. Okay, there's London session highs. I would have probably just closed this shit. Uh, London. Look at what happened during London session. Sweep of Asia high, inverse for value gap, dump. Sweep of Asia high, inverse for value gap, dump. Sweep of Asia session low, inverse for value gap, pump. You can't make this up, man. You just can't make it up. 35 viewers. Guys, do you think I should start streaming a little bit later? So I should start my stream at like 8 o'clock or something? I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. I think I should start my stream at like 8 o'clock. because a lot of y'all don't hop on till around now. Sounds good. I need more people to answer. Nah, this fine. We always. All right, bet. There's London session highs taken. Guys, don't short this. Don't short this. I'm looking for how I'm gonna long this. How am I gonna find a long position? Why no short? I'm really bullish on Nasdaq. I'm extremely bullish on Nasdaq. I want these highs here taken. So if you short, more than likely it'll short to like maybe here and then go higher. Like I'm not looking to short this at all, even if it works. I'm looking to find a long setup. If y'all trade with me, you'll be straight, man. I'm gonna tell you exactly how I think, what I'm looking at. Like I want some liquidity swept so we can start taking some longs back to the upside. Gold, I think I'm avoiding gold. We're simply just waiting right now because I don't see anything at all. Yes, I'm trading Apex accounts right now. I'm trading some Apex accounts right now. Thanks, man. Really, brother, I have learned many things from your live stream. Thanks, bro. Keep showing up. You learn a lot more. Well, I'm trying to see if we can find some type of entry to the upside. So no sweep, no trade. So we need some type of liquidity sweep. I low-key think it's gonna wait till market open. I don't think it'll fully deliver without us. I don't think this will fully deliver without us. Like where do I need it going? Like to this high. This is our target. Until this target gets taken, I'm looking for some type of long entry until we take out this target. So we need to see some type of sweep and inverse back to the upside. No, it's not that I don't trade past 9:30 EST. I don't trade past 9:30 CST. So that's 10:30 EST for y'all. You get what I'm trying to say? So yeah, I trade market open. You think you could get me an Apex account, Leonard? I probably could, but I don't want to. Why? Because you're probably, no offense, Leonard, you're probably gonna blow the account. I mean, I can get you under like $50, but you're just gonna blow the account because you don't know how to trade. Uh, I'm improving from you though. Yeah, that's good. That's good. No, seriously. Yeah, yeah. If Apex is restricted in your region, you'd have to, yeah, consider a different one like tradeify. Um, I'm working on getting a couple more prop firms that I can start giving to y'all, um, for especially my Nigerian audiences that are restricted in your country. I'm working on something for y'all. Don't even worry about it. Bro, there's nothing. I repeat, there's nothing to do right now. If this hits my target without me, I low-key think we wasted our time on stream. This is getting ridiculous. Yeah, yeah. I'm getting I'm about to get a lucid partnership real soon. I think that'll be really great. How long do you think it's good to demo trade for? Okay, so my students go through 6 phases. Stage one is onboarding, so I onboard them into the program. Stage two is modules. Yes, they have to watch a course. It's the fastest way to retain information without me repeating myself multiple times. But after they watch those videos, they schedule calls and all of that stuff with me. So that goes on throughout the entire 6 month roadmap. After they've watched the videos, then they back test. You have to backtest the strategy you just learned. You can't just take my word for it. I need you to backtest the strategy you just learned. After you backtest the strategy you just learned, you're going to forward test it, but how you're going to forward test is different. You're going to simulate passing funded accounts on demo trading. So, if you want to pass an Apex account, for example, what you will do is you go research some of the Apex rules that they tell you that you need to do in order to pass, and then you're going to implement those same rules into paper trading for yourself, and then you're going to pass those accounts at least 3 times. If you can pass at least 3 times, more than likely you're going to pass your Apex account or whatever. Cool. After you do that, then you now go into the funded account route. You get an Apex funded account or a tradeify funded account using code DAY at checkout for 90% off or 40% off. After you get that, then you trade the accounts the exact same way. You can't let emotions get to you. the exact same way that you traded um, the demo trading account. If you can do it the exact same way, more than likely you will pass the account. And then the last stage is to get a payout. After you've gotten a payout, the next step is just being consistent. Rinse and repeat. That's pretty much the framework on how to go from beginner to payout. And it works. I've seen it happen on like some multiple of my students. Yeah, Lucid is fire. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Really, really, you really are welcome. So it's like I found a love for literally happened with me a couple months ago. Yeah, there's Ashton. There's one of them. Yeah, that's exactly the same thing I put Ashton through. And now it's just a matter of being consistent. Are you gonna blow some accounts? Definitely. Are you gonna blow some of your payouts? Definitely. But now you understand the framework. You understand the roadmap. You know what you need to do to get a payout. So now if Ashton is struggling, he knows what he needs to go do to get a payout because he's gotten one before. So that's just how it works. That's just how it works. Um, I'm still waiting on this trade. Yeah, yeah. I think Enki might come down to sweep out these lows and then inverse some type of gap and then yeah, that's what I'm looking at on NQ. Oh, there's a 5 minute low. That's great. Okay, what time is it though? It's 8:02. It's getting a little bit risky to take a trade right now. This doesn't count as a liquidity sweep, guys. Okay. Which platform for you use to see the trading view? I think that's what you're asking. What platform do I use to read charts? Trading view. This is tradingview.com. It should be free, or maybe like $7 a month or something like that. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Once look, it's 8:04. Now I'm at 36 viewers and it's cranking up because now and also I've noticed that's around when we take trades anyways. Are we gonna take out this low? Yeah, gold is doing a bunch of nothing. There's a 15-minute gap right below us. Yeah, I saw it. I think that was FOMC. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything here. No, we should be extremely bullish right now. Accumulation, manipulation. Yeah, I'm bullish on the Nas. Man, this just sucks because it's right by market open. No. No. That's not how it works. It took okay. Let me okay. I want to think of how I can answer your question. Guys, there's a difference between an entry trigger and bias on the day, right? So just because you see, for example, somebody's entry trigger can be a 5 minute break of structure. Are they going to take every single 5 minute break of structure that they see? No. Our entry trigger is an inverse fair value gap after a session level gets taken. That doesn't mean that you're going to take every single session level that you see. So I can't predict the market, obviously, but what I can do is I can create some type of narrative about the market. Let me show you something, right? If you look on the daily time frame, what's going on the daily time frame? The daily time frame, swept liquidity. What is this? Inverse fair value gap. If this was a 5 minute, if we were on the 5 minute, wouldn't this be our setup? Because you didn't pay for data. Data is like an extra $7 a month. But back to what I was saying. If you were on the 5 minute time frame, right, and you got this sweep of liquidity and inverse value gap on the daily time frame, you would be bullish, right? Because it's a bullish setup. Cool. Now let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. If you drop down to the 1 hour time frame, this is that new week opening gap. We filled that new week opening gap with accumulation, manipulation, and we've started distributing back to the upside. If you look a little closer on the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame did what? Sweep of liquidity here, break of structure. This low here should be protected. You draw your dandy fib tool from here to here. 0.5 is this 15 minute fair value gap that I drew out. Boom, 15 minute fair value gap. So if you are shorting, know that you're shorting in a bullish market. I'm looking for this. That's what I'm looking for on NQ. And I think we might get that with market open. But all that analysis I just showed you is just doing top-down analysis from high time frame, lower, 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 and getting it moving. That's that's how you do it. What's going on? Day, yo, what I do? What happened? Guys, here's the thing. I was just like that. I was also just like that. I was very skeptical of trading NQ because I didn't understand her, but boy, are they damn near the same. It's just charts. It's just charts. It's all just the same chart. They're all the same. They have different patterns and behavior. So for NQ, you just need to understand that market open is dangerous. Don't trade around market open versus on gold. Market open is not even a thing. At 8:30, the market doesn't even budge on gold. But on Nasdaq at 8:30, you start seeing it whipsaw back and forth. So it's like, yeah. But we're looking for a long setup. Yeah, I need a much deeper retracement. Do you ever trade ES? Yes, I do. I trade ES at times when it looks better, when it looks cleaner than NQ. That makes a little more sense now. Yeah, that's all trading is, right? So with trading, you need three pieces of information to trade, and we only have access to two. The three pieces of information that we need is number one, what was price action doing before? What is price action doing now? And what will price action do later? We have access to two out of the three, but we only need those two pieces of information to tell a narrative that will then let us make educated assumptions about the third piece of information. If I can see what price action has done before and what it's currently doing now, I wish I'm gonna be soon by the end of this year. By the end of this year, I will be. Um, but if I have those two pieces of information, then I can use that piece of information to then be able to predict where I believe the market is going to go, and that's how to trade. Okay, it's officially 8:12, so I'm officially not looking for anything like, wow, this trade is a fake out, like a massive, massive fake out. I don't think this trade will even give you this high. I think this is a fake out. I think what happens is people long this, market's gonna open, come back down and rip through this. And then it'll give us the actual long setup. Let's see. Do you make much accent on pre-market time or just the day before movements? I don't understand your question, brother. I don't understand the question. MT5? No, that's CFD. It's futures. Trade futures. If this shit leaves relative equal, oh, that's SMT. Well, I need to start having ES and NQ right next to each other. Ooh, that's SMT. Let's see though, it's still market open. Can't trade around market open anyways. But let's see if they let this SMT hold. I still doubt they let this SMT hold. But if market opens and just rips and hits my target, I think I'm done trading. This is the setup I want today on nasdaq. It's the only one I can see. See you too, brother. Appreciate you showing up, Leonard. Text me today so I don't forget. We got 15 minutes. 15 minutes till market opens. Yeah, I'm not sure if futures will work on in MT5. I don't trade. I use Tradeivate. That's XAU USD. I trade MGC futures. MGC is just gold futures. Micro version of gold futures. So I'm trading NQ, NASDAQ futures, and GC gold futures. Guys, you have to understand that this trade, you're taking it during market open. It could win, but you're ultimately gambling. Like, let's be real, you cannot predict market open. You can predict the candle after market open. So I can predict that if this candle shoots down and starts shooting back up, that's the trade of the day. But you can't predict that this candle's like, you can't predict that before market open. Just be patient, y'all. Every single day, it always looks like we're not about to take a setup until a banger just shows up. Just be patient. If a banger doesn't show up, oh wow, that's fine. Patience is a virtue. Man, that NASDAQ trade won. Are you serious? That's so ridiculous. To be fair, it is SMT around the session level. Those are very powerful. Yeah, wow, this is getting ridiculous. I need market open to send this stuff lower, man, and give me an entry. Gold's not doing anything. If you long this with equal lows at the bottom, then you're just fiending to trade. Number one, it's a bearish market. Number two, it left equal lows. Are we serious? Yeah, the props I'm using is only for futures. Seen a few of your videos, but mind me asking how you started. Did you work, grind, earn enough money to cover 3 to 6 months and then just all in or continue working? Um, so I took out $50,000 in student loans money to learn how to trade because I understood that you can't trade broke. It's almost impossible. And I was broke. So I went, not saying that y'all should do that, please don't. This is just my story. So I did that. And I still had a job on the side. I was a cart pusher at HEB. HEB is a grocery store. And I was pushing carts. You know, when people are done shopping and then the carts that they use, they leave it outside in the parking lot. My job was to go round up all of those carts and put them where they were supposed to be. Doing that, it's hot as hell. I was doing that for a while. And then while I was trading, and then I became profitable while pushing carts. So it took me about 3 years or so. This was about to be when I was This was gonna be when I graduated college. Right before I was about to graduate college was when I had my first profitable month. Then I had my first profitable 2 months, had a losing week, but came back the next week, had a profitable week. I'm like, oh, this is how profitability works. This is how profitability works. Once I gained the grasp of it, I quit my job. And I've been trading like that since. And then everything around it started popping off. Guys, you need to understand something as well, is that like the reason my social media started growing was because I was teaching trading concepts that were valid. You have to understand that if I don't know what I'm talking about, nobody would be following me on social media right now. Y'all wouldn't be in my live stream right now. So it's like, regardless, it's like, yeah, I am making money from mentorship as well. I'm making money from affiliates as well. I'm making money from trading. I'm making money from YouTube paying me. I'm making money from all these multiple sources of income. But at the end of the day, it all started with me learning this one skill set: trading. Trading by itself can get you rich. Trading and all the other trading businesses around it can get you rich. They all can. But you can't do any of them if you don't know how to trade. My students would have called bullshit by now, but I come in every single day and I perform. So it took me about 4 years, 4 years total. It's been about 4 years since I started this entire trading journey, and it's been going good by God's grace. We are at 40 viewers, 41 viewers. If we can get to 75, I will be giving away a funded account. It is currently 8:22. I think this trade is going to leave without us. That sucks. Let's see what the market opens going to do. Do you trade stocks? No, I never traded stocks. Excuse me. Big respect to the honesty, bro, as there's a lot of BS out there. Yeah, there really is. I'll be honest, there really is. Um, I wouldn't say this um if I really wasn't trying to help y'all, but I'll be completely honest. Once you guys learn your strategy that you like, you've back tested it, it works for you, get off social media. Just get off social media. Like just get off social media, stop listening to anybody. Maybe pick one mentor or one person that you want to follow because you know they're not bullshit. But if you're following like 6, 7 different creators, everybody's showing you how they made $50,000 that day, showing you how your students made this amount that day. You're following 50, like, oh man, just get off social media, gang. And I'm saying this while on social media streaming to y'all, but I'm just being real with you. Just get off social media, bro. Come back. Come back in 3 months. Hey, Dae, remember me? Oh shit, it's been a while. How you been? Yeah, I'm profitable now. Look at my AMG. Oh shit, or AMP, whatever you call that shit. Oh shit. There we go. That's how it works, man. That's what I did. Um, RP and Big Daddy Max on social media. Yeah, Big Daddy Max is legit. When it comes to his reactionary videos, he's funny. I don't know about his orb strategy though. I've never even tried it. Oh my god, bro. This trade left without us. It was so valid too. This is what happens when you're following your rules. I appreciate it. This was such a. I need to go check if my Discord took this long. That was a valid long, but it was just right by market open. When did this inverse happen? 8:12. I can't trade that. But it delivered right before market close, before market open. That's my target for the long. See why I told y'all not to short this? I knew we were gonna long. We just couldn't get a good entry. Oh my god, this sucks. Are we gonna go higher or am I forcing? I think I might be forcing it, but oh my god, that would have been such a great trade. Yeah, he did. He responded to my Instagram reel. Because it was valid. You know, I got so much hate on that reel. Yes, I was waiting. No, I was waiting for what I was waiting for specifically was market open. This was more than enough for me, but I was waiting for something like this for it to start like consolidating. Market open, it does this sweep. This is what I was looking at. Like whenever it reaches around 8:10, 8:15, I'm not looking to trade till market opens because it'll just accumulate while you're in the middle of a trade. Like this is a once in a like if you do this shit on Monday, tomorrow you're gonna get cooked. You place a trade 15, 10 minutes before market open, you're gonna get fried. Do it again on Monday, you see. You're gonna get fried. This is a once out of every 10 trades, the trade will deliver before market open. Usually it'll just wait around. And then when market opens, it'll give you a massive candle to your stop loss and then rip higher. Oh, yeah. It's looking like a no trade day. But let's see what market does. Beautiful long setup here though. Beautiful. Like beautiful. Gold looks disgusting. If anything, I want a short gold. I want a short gold. Equal lows at the bottom. If gold can come take out these highs. Dude, draw some round levels. I'm confused. I don't know what that means. Bro, like NQ, are you serious? The objective has been met though. Like, the objective has been met. We're definitely bullish now though. Let's see what market open gives us. We dropped from 47 viewers down to 20 because they think I'm not going to place a trade. They're signal bots. And watch, market open might come and give us a banger and you're going to all be like, oh, I miss it. Oh. Let's see. Let's see gold or NQ. This is such a rare occurrence. Like, this doesn't happen. I'm just gonna go to the hourly gap first. Gold. It sure is. Oh yeah, it definitely is. I like this on gold. We might take sales on gold. If gold can sweep out these highs while tapping London session level, let's see. Let's see what gold wants to do. Boom. Yeah, gold looks promising. Equal lows at the bottom, liquidity sweep here. Gold looks very, very promising. It does. Now y'all want to come. No. Now y'all want to join the stream back, huh? No. Go back. Don't come. Go back. Signal bot ass niggas. Look at them. Look at them, Johnny. We was just at 20, weren't we? Nah, I'm trolling, y'all. If y'all haven't understood by now, this is my personality. I'm trolling. A lot of y'all were offended about the post I made about the trading with only $100 to your name. Number one, it's the truth. Number two, I was trolling as well. But it's still the truth. Like, you can't trade with no money. It's very hard to do. This trade looks so valid. Let me check. Oh my God. We are shorting in premium. Ooh. I don't know about this one, guys. You need to see the reaction first. It has to be extremely valid. This is still my setup, so I'll take it. Equal lows below. There's so many reasons it'll win if we get a short entry. What about NASDAQ? Higher time frame SMT, ES, and NASDAQ. This shit could flood. Could definitely flood. But let's take it on gold instead. Oh, we're back at 42 viewers. Nah. Ah. Gold is bullish today? I mean, let's see. If gold is bullish today, then this candle will flip and go higher. Um, 1 minute inversions are so risky, bro. Look at this other 1 minute you have down here. You have to wait till all of them get inversed, which is when then you might as well just take a 3 minute. If gold is bullish today, then this 3 minute will get respected and it'll go higher. Nas is dumping. How are you even supposed to catch this? If this low gets taken, Nas is extremely bearish. Um, if Nas is dumping, holy shit, how are you even supposed to catch this? There's no entry here. Look at the 3 minute, it's just a massive candle. There's no entry here, bro. How are you even? It doesn't make any sense to me. Yeah, I think gold's gonna dump. We're trying to catch gold right now. Come on, gold, give me something. I don't trade the 1 minute. So whenever I see 1 minute, I don't finish reading. Yes. I'm not looking at NQ 1 minute. I don't trade the 1 minute. Come on, gold. What are we doing? Okay, resweep this. If you took a 1 minute on gold, if it doesn't react here, it's coming for your stop loss. This is why I don't trade the 1 minute. This 1 minute IFEG here, probably. Well, how many 1 minute IFEGs have you tried that failed? It happens literally all the time. Like what? 1 minute IFEG here fails. It happens too many times. For For a candle to put in a 3 minute, for a candle to put in a 3 minute IFEG, do you know how much strength that takes? Boom. What's NASDAQ bouncing off of, guys? Can you guess? What's NASDAQ bouncing off of? Asia session high. Shit's getting ridiculous, huh? What's ES bouncing off of? Asia session low. Stuff is the truth, man. What's gold bouncing off of? Asia session low. Um, you see, I still think Nas is bullish, bro. Like, what? For us to be bearish, this is the low it had to take. Oh shit, gold. All right, no closure. Damn, not even on the 5 minute either. That sucks. Oh, that really sucks. Is this trade gonna leave without us? Yeah. Let's see though. Maybe that's saving us. Don't FOMO into this. Maybe that's saving us because look, it's going back up now. Sometimes you're missing an entry saves you. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God, no. Oh my God. What are we doing? As long as this low doesn't get taken, I can still get an entry. Once this low gets taken, I'm not looking for entries anymore. So the best I can do is this. This is the trade I'm looking to take. If this low here gets taken, I'm ending the stream. And I'm no trade day for me. Bro, come on, gold. Don't do this. I'm waiting for gold to retest without taking this low. If it takes this low, I'm hopping off the stream. Oh my God. That's GG's. No trade day. And then there's a bank holiday tomorrow. Come on, you can give me some type of reversal. Come on, gold. Some type of crazy reversal. I have the limit set. I'll delete it once this low gets taken. Come on, gold. What are we thinking? It's not gonna go all the way back up there. Yeah, it's not. There's no reason to. Like, if I was in this trade, I would be pissed if it went all the way back up there. The reason why I'm not getting back in once this low gets taken is because this is where I would go break even at. So if this is where I would go break even at and I'm willing to get out of my trade if it comes back to entry, why would I be getting into the trade where I would be going break even at? So once this low gets taken, that's just a missed trade. I should just hop on and chat tomorrow. Y'all want me to trade a bank holiday, huh? Yeah, now gold is clipped, I think. Oh? No way. Did XAU take it? No. GC? No. Are we dead ass right now? This trade better not be stop loss. Holy shit, we're about to get tagged. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on. It's right there. Mm. Yeah, I get what you mean, Mafia. I'm trying to see what this trade talking about though. Yeah, it is. But I'm so used to gold. Like I'm not even upset. Like the old me would get mad, and then I would place a sell right here, and then the next candle will go all the way back up, hit stop loss, and then go lower. It's like it's yeah. Once this gets taken, I'm leaving. If it takes this low, like I feel like the next candle will come up to sweep highs, but if it doesn't and takes this low, then I'm leaving. Hey, 47 views. Let's go. That's because I'm about to place a trade. They usually come when I'm about to place a trade. Yeah, Nasdaq is longing. Are we gonna get tagged? Yeah, they know. Boom. I'm in. Okay. I really gotta use the restroom though. So I'll be back. Let me mute my mic like last time. Forgot to mute my mic. Yo, I'm back. I'm going to break even here. It should flush after this. Um, should we hold to full TP, y'all? Fuck it, it's the last trading day, ain't it? Let's hold to full TP. Let's hold to full TP. So now we got break even or nothing. Yeah, somebody said we are bullish. I don't know where they're at. I don't know where they're at. We're gonna hold to full TP today? I really hope this doesn't come back to break even, man. Well, I'm gonna start preparing for the gym and stuff. This is such a great TP. Like, there shouldn't be any reason we reject here. Like, whenever we kind of leave equal lows and then retrace and then we come back down, we usually start flushing through that low. So hopefully that's the case for this scenario as well. We can just flush through this low and come straight to some TPs, man. I'm going to move my TP just a few ticks higher, just in case price wants to edge us and stuff. Excuse me. And stuff. But yeah. All right, it's time for the gym. We're holding this shit all the way. There we go. All the way. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby girl. Ooh. Don't edge me. Don't edge me, girl. Don't edge me, girl. Come on. Come on, baby. You know you want those lows. Like, stop playing. Did XAU take it? If XAU took it, I'm getting out. XAU hasn't taken it. What about GC? No. No way we leave triple lows, right? I don't like this, guys. There we go. It'll hit it. Full TP. Full TP. I want full TP, gold. Edge of Doom. I want full TP. I want full TP now. I want it now, gold. I want it now. No, no, no. Are we serious? Are we deadass? What's XAU doing? Big Daddy Gold. Come on, come take out these lows. There we go. Boys! Full TP. Bang! That's how you do it. What happened to We Are Bullish? Hey guys, when you're streaming or when you're live, bro, don't listen to, you can't be listening to bots in your, you can't be listening to them, bro. Bang! That's how you do it, guys. We're undefeated this week. Hey, W's in the chat. Hold on. Can I guess? Let me guess on. Let me guess on for the gram. TP boys. Bang! Can I get some W's in the chat? Hey, don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Bang. Come on. Can I get some couple more W's? There we go. There we go. Let's go. Great trade. Great freaking trade, boys. W's, 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 W's. Hey, y'all got to join the stream. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen. That's everything I have for y'all today. This was a full week of profitability. We went undefeated this week. We had a couple break-even trades, but we went undefeated this week. Guess what? You come back next week and you just do it again. You come back the week after that and you just do it again. That's all it is. You stay patient. I don't trade the 3-minute. How many times did people tell me to look at the 3-minute? I don't care. You can't care about what other people think. You have to trust your analysis, trust your judgment, and just trade. With that being said, that's everything I have for y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning into the live. We didn't hit 75 viewers, but if Monday we hit 75 viewers, I'll be giving away a funded account. All right? Peace.